betul ke kau berhantu? Hi guys, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, korang tahu kan yang aku ada patung Elmo? Patung Elmo yang aku beli yang dekat kedai terpakai tu. Dan korang tahu kan yang patung Elmo aku ni bukannya yang macam aku orang pertama owner dia. Aku tak tahu ada berapa orang jadi owner dia, tapi aku adalah owner yang seterus-seterusnya. Dan ini adalah patung Elmo aku. Lepas aku beli, baru aku tahu yang patung Elmo ni sebenarnya adalah salah satu patung yang telah pun di-ban, yang telah pun diharamkan pengeluaran dia dekat seluruh dunia. Sebab itulah sekarang tak ada patung Elmo yang dijual guys. Aku tak tahu kenapa, tapi sumpah patung Elmo ni memang seram weh. Memang seram. So hari ni kita nak tengok beberapa video patung Elmo. Dan katanya kita tak boleh main patung Elmo pukul 3 pagi. Betul ke weh? Kau tengok muka dia. Okay, so hari ni kita nak tengok beberapa video patung Elmo ni. Lepas ni sekejap lagi pukul 3 baru kita akan main patung Elmo ni. Jom kita tengok sama-sama. Aku tak tahulah weh, patung ini Elmo ni sebenarnya kan, aku rasa memang creepy gila weh. Aku malam-malam kan, kalau aku terletak dekat luar kan, kita orang tidur luar kan, kalau letak kat luar, sumpah kita orang rasa macam diperhatikan je. Lepas aku tahu patung Elmo ni bahaya.
Nah ini nih yang ramai banget belakangan ini ya.
Kita tengok ni.
Sumpah ini merinding parah sih. So ada seorang ibu-ibu yang baru aja ngebeliin anaknya balon Elmo raksasa. Tapi baru beberapa hari di rumah ada yang aneh sama balon itu. Balon Elmo itu bisa jalan-jalan sendiri, berpindah dari ruangan yang satu.
Tak kisahlah, tapi dia Elmo kan.
Tapi masih di lantai yang sama. Sampai satu malam tiba-tiba anjing keluarga mereka tuh gonggong gak bisa berhenti. Dan pas Doi coba buat ngecek, ini yang Doi temuin.
Apa? Anjing dia bising doh. Kau tahu apa maksud kalau anjing bising?
Quiet.
Wait, dia bergerak naik atas doh. Kau tengok kaki dia. Dia macam tak macam tu. Dia macam hidup. Yang kau pergi beli patung sebesar macam tu kenapa?
Tangga ke lantai 2 sendiri, Cok.
Ya doh.
Dan lo coba lihat kakinya. Kayak bisa napak ke anak tangga gak sih?
Ya doh, macam tek macam tu. Tengok kaki dia.
Nah ini nih yang ramai.
Apakah keputusan aku membeli patung Elmo ni salah? Scary. Okay, so kita nak tengok lagi video patung Elmo yang katanya scary lah weh. Ini pasal patung Elmo yang hide and seek. Bukan jenis macam ni, tapi dia boleh main hide and seek tau.
Did you hear about the creepy things that were happening with the Elmo hide and seek toy? So the way you play is pretty obvious. One person goes and hides Elmo, while the others use these enclosed clue cards to find him. And with a cheerful voice, he'll say, "I am here, to help guide the players to his secret hiding place." There was this one user who posted about how a friend gave him this toy as a joke, and because he wasn't going to use it, he put it away in storage to give to one of his younger cousins. Well, as you can imagine, very weird things started happening. In the middle of the night, he would wake up to the distant sound of the toy saying, "Come find me, I am here." And Elmo would be hiding in a completely random area in the house, and this obviously really creeped him out. So
sebenarnya kenapa dengan Elmo ni? Even game macam tu, hide and seek ni, patung Elmo pun seram. Apa sebenarnya yang ada? Tapi Elmo memang scary weh. Elmo aku ni boleh bercakap. Sekejap lagi kita nak main sama-sama. Kita akan tanya, betulkah ada benda dalam badan dia? Elmo ni boleh main peluk-peluk, kau tahu tak?
Talk to everybody, but he does say some phrases though that toddlers probably shouldn't be hearing.
Okay. Alright.
Kids know who he is.
Ni buku Elmo tau. Semuanya tentang Elmo memang scary ke weh?
Here's what Elmo was supposed to say. But several books came with this sound.
Sepatutnya dia boleh cakap ini, let's try and use the potty. Potty tu tandas tau. Tandas bergerak tu, yang portable tu.
Instead.
Okay, dia cakap apa?
Elmo laughs up.
Who wants to die weh? Oh, who wants to die? Ni YouTube tau. Dia kena rasuk gila dengan patung Elmo. Tengok ni YouTube ni. Sebenarnya dia nak buat benda lain, tapi benda lain jadi tau
From the dark web, and it's right behind me, and I'm gonna show you right now. Let me get it right now. Look at this, guys.
Ini dia main patung Elmo pukul 3 pagi.
And it has blood all over
Oh my
it.
god.
Should we even open this up, Nicole?
I don't know.
Let's just open it up and see what's inside of it. You don't know what's inside of it, huh?
No.
I never tell my girlfriend what I get to make these videos. Look at this.
Sumpah, do mana kau dapat pasal ni? Berdarah-darah.
What is it?
Patung Elmo. Patung Elmo weh. Dia yang sekejap dia kena rasuk tu.
You guys, I got this haunted Elmo doll on the
patung
dark
Elmo
web,
hantu tu,
and
sumpah.
supposedly on the directions it says when you put the Elmo doll on a Ouija board with candles at 3 a.m. and you have to play the Elmo movie and he will come to life. So we're gonna find out if this actually is true or if it's fake. And we already have the movie ready. And we're gonna find out if he actually comes to life right
Dia ada
now.
patung, lepas tu dia akan buka cerita movie Elmo.
So Nicole, let's get some snacks. Oh yeah,
Okay,
speaking of that little haunted demonic plush.
Yeah.
We gotta move over here actually, so we keep an eye out on him, guys.
Yeah. Let's pay attention to him. I don't wanna miss out.
Aku nak tengok time dia kena rasuk dengan Elmo tu.
We do the stupidest videos, thinking that's gonna actually come to life. Come on, dude.
Wait, but even if he does come to life, isn't that a good thing? I mean, I like Elmo. Isn't he a nice boy?
Cepatlah buka, cepatlah.
Right?
He does.
He has a weird man in his closet, right?
He does.
He does.
All right, well, anyways, guys, so like I said, when you play the movie, and it has to be 3 a.m., supposedly Elmo will come to life. So we're going to keep an eye on him right here and see if he actually moves, talks, laughs, anything out of the ordinary, okay? Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got the movie playing, guys. And this one
dah buka cerita tu
Elmo, you gotta watch Elmo's potty time.
Oh, and it flushed.
Pula dia dah start
The
kena.
hell?
What?
How did I have the Elmo voice?
How are you doing that right now? How are you doing that? I have my eye on him. Oh, look, here's Elmo.
Okay, whatever. Elmo!
Okay, dia sambung tengok cerita Elmo.
Here's Elmo. He's right there on a Ouija board.
Yeah.
Being satanic. Oh, satanic. All right, so we're gonna keep watching this right now. We're gonna open up some cookies, some Pepper Farm Christmas cookies. Still.
You okay?
Okay, tengok. Pak ni lah korang. Allah.
Are you okay?
Wih, sumpah sama weh macam Elmo punya suara.
Like that. Wait, why are you talking like that? Are you okay, dude? Are you having some kind of mental breakdown?
I don't know why I keep sounding like.
What? Why do you keep imitating Elmo?
I'm not imitating Nicole. How the hell can anybody even imitate an Elmo?
So you're telling me that voice is just coming out of you? Are you okay?
Let's just not think about it, you guys. Let's just get to the end of the movie and see if anything happens. So far, nothing weird has happened. And it's just, the only weird thing is that today I found out that you're supposed to use, what can we check off?
First of all, it's 3 a.m. right now.
It's 3 a.m., yeah.
We have the movie.
We have the movie, yeah.
We have the Elmo.
We have the Elmo.
We have the Ouija board.
And we put Elmo on the Ouija board,
right.
yeah.
And we put candles on the...
What?
That's weird.
What?
Elmo's not there anymore.
Elmo dia hilang weh.
Look.
What? Oh my god!
Oh my god. Wih, tengok Elmo tu.
What the hell?
Wih, scary tu.
Oh my god.
He's a freaking knife.
Yes, a freaking knife.
Oh, sudah. Kau pergilah main Ouija board dengan Elmo tu. Segala-galanya yang seram pasal patung Elmo. Sebab itulah patung Elmo ni diharamkan. Kena ban dekat US sana. Aku tak tahu kat Malaysia. Aku rasa data benda ni datang daripada US. Sebab dia diharamkan, dia dijual pula kat Malaysia. Aku pula pergi beli kat kedai Vin. Terkejut aku weh. Kau tekan Kau tekan Elmo? Okay guys, so sekarang kita nak main patung Elmo ni. Kita akan tanya dia, betul ke dia ada benda dalam badan dia? Betul tak patung Elmo ni dia macam boleh peluk, selalu minta peluk. Kita try buka dulu. Tengok ni, tangan dia gerak.
Elmo loves getting hugs from you.
Okay, lagi.
Elmo loves you.
Elmo love you. Okay, sekarang aku nak tanya dia. Elmo,
Elmo loves getting hugs from you.
betul ke kau kena rasuk? Buat takut dengan lagu kau. Memang nak kena tunggu ke? Elmo loves to hug you the most.
Elmo loves you too.
Okay, try.
Wow, that was a big hug.
Okay, go.
Nothing says I love you like a big monster hug.
Okay, aku tak berani lagi nak tanya. Okay, korang, aku akan tanya dia last. Patung Elmo, betul ke kau berhantu?
Elmo's getting so sleepy.
Weh. Kejap. Aku dengar suara jantan tadi, weh. Kejap. Betul ke aku salah? Kejap. Elmo, kau ni sebenarnya ada benda ke dalam kau? Kau dengar tak? Aku memang kena buang patung Elmo ni. Weh, aku beli dia mahal, weh. Aku tak tahu, weh. Kau tengok patung. Kau tengok muka dia, weh. Weh. Weh, tengoklah tu. Kau tengok tu, scary siut dia. Pukul 3 pagi, weh. Oh my god. Okay lah guys, so aku rasa sahajalah tu video kita hari ni. Weh, dia cakap good night tu. Okay lah guys, so aku rasa saja. Kalau korang rasa video aku bermanfaat, jangan lupa tekan like, komen dan subscribe. Bye korang. Weh, suara siapa tu dalam Elmo? Weh, tadi aku tak pegang dia, weh. Kau dengar tak? Oh my god, scary tu kau Elmo. Memang aku buang kau Elmo. Ya Allah, menakutkan. Bye-bye korang. Bye.